Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about the importance of probiotics for hair growth, and also I will be telling you 3 probiotics that you all really need to consider in incorporating in your diet in order for you to grow your hair long, have clear skin, and at the same time have a healthy gut. So let's get started. Now, probiotics help with protein breakdown, which allows the proteins that build up your hair to reach the scalp efficiently. Now, Lactobacillus plantarum also increases antioxidant activities, which is a necessary component of healthy hair growth. Also, probiotic is not only good for your hair, but also good for your skin as well. Alright, so the first probiotic drink that I highly recommend that you guys try out is the Kefir milk or Kefir water. Now, Kefir contains high levels of vitamin B1, B12, calcium, folate, vitamin K2, and biotin, which are all great for hair growth. Kefir is also a beneficial source of probiotics, which feed our body healthy gut bacteria, essential for vitamin and nutrient absorption. Now, I personally prefer Kefir water than the milk one, since this one, I really like its taste. It has some natural fruit flavors, just because my uncle actually feeds the kefir with several fruits, so that's why it doesn't taste boring at all. I actually like all of the fruity flavors. And also, if you guys have tasted kefir water, it actually has a little bit of fizz. It's kind of like the same as you're drinking your fizzy drinks. However, it's good for your gut. It's way healthier for you. Alright, then the second one is yogurt. Now, yogurt contains probiotic bacteria that promotes hair density. It increases the anagen phase of the hair follicles. This also helps boost hair growth. It improves scalp health and reduces the clogging of follicles, thus reducing hair fall and hair damage. Now, of course, with yogurt, you can either eat it as is or either include it in your smoothies or in your shakes. And also, you can apply this topically on your scalp. And also as well, you can include this in any of your DIY hair masks. But for me, I think the best way to use yogurt for both your hair and skin is to actually consume it. However, I have nothing against putting yogurt on your hair because I've done that in the past as well. And sometimes I would include just a little bit of yogurt on some of my DIY hair masks. However, if you want to really receive all of the health benefits of yogurt, I think it's really best to just consume it. Alright, and the third one is kombucha. Now, kombucha is once again great to apply topically or to take it in, since this aids in growing your hair long and healthy, and also at the same time prevents hair loss because it contains vitamin B, antioxidants, and folic acid. And kombucha is also great for boosting your immunity and help digestion. So if you don't have kefir water, you can also go for kombucha, just because I think that kombucha is a lot easier to buy. It's way more popular, so you can get a hold of it almost anywhere. For me personally, I prefer the kefir water, just because, as I've said, I really do like its flavor, and also at the same time, I've already seen the results of the kefir on not just my hair but also my skin and the effects on my stomach. I personally drink actually kefir every single day. I just only drink 1 glass of kefir every single day, just because I've told you guys, I think I've mentioned this so many times in my videos, that sometimes I'm dealing with some stomach problems. So probiotics has definitely helped me solve that, and at the same time, as I've said, it helps you grow out your hair, and also it helps you clear out your skin. So it's just killing 2 birds with 1 stone. That's a really bad analogy. Okay, so probiotics is really great for your health just in general. So if hair growth is not even your concern, still do consider taking in probiotics, because it's really good for your gut health as well. And also these probiotic drinks, especially if you're in Asia, this is very easy to access. Oh, and by the way, if you all want to culture your own kefir or make your own kefir water, or if you guys just want a ready-made kefir already, or if you want my kombucha recommendations, I am going to be putting that in the description box down below. I'm pretty sure that you can find yogurt almost anywhere. So that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!